Welcome to our second episode of our news series, where we'll be recapping important market moves and updates from the last month or so. Since the landmark approvals of U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs on January 10th, Bitcoin saw a 21% correction to as low as 38.5K, before bouncing with a vengeance by almost 40% to touch 52.9K. At the time of recording, it's still hovering around the 51K level. It seems investors and traders have brushed all the fears of outflows from the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF and Mt. Gox bankruptcy repayments aside, and net inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs have flipped back to positive in the recent weeks. As of February 23rd, the 9-spot Bitcoin ETFs closed in on 300K BTC held, worth about $14 billion, with cumulative volume surpassing $50 billion. The relief in markets was led by Bitcoin, as indicated by the spike in Bitcoin dominance.
Are you launching the next cutting-edge crypto project and in need of crypto market data? Look no further. CoinGecko API is the world's most reliable, accurate, and comprehensive cryptocurrency data API for traders and developers. Why build price feeds from scratch when you can access crypto, NFT, and on-chain DEX data directly from CoinGecko API? Get real-time crypto market data such as price, trading volume, market capitalization, metadata, on-chain liquidity data, and more from 70-plus endpoints. With just a few API calls, help your end users discover the market momentum quickly and easily. CoinGecko API is used and trusted by thousands of industry leaders and projects, including MetaMask, Etherscan, Chainlink, and more. Get 15% off any CoinGecko API plan today. Apply code CoinGeckoTV at checkout to get 15% off your first month or year.
As for Ethereum, ETH has recently crossed the $3,000 mark, a level it hasn't seen since Terra's collapse in April 2022. This may be in part due to excitement following Franklin Templeton's spot ETH ETF filing on the 12th of February. Standard Chartered has also put out a bullish price prediction on ETH, speculating that it could double in price following an ETH ETF approval in May. Others, however, are not so optimistic that an approval will come at all this year. Aside from that, the Dencun upgrade has successfully gone live on the Sepolia and Holesky testnets, leaving only the main net launch, which is currently scheduled for the 13th of March. The much-anticipated Dencun upgrade will bring about proto-dank sharding, which is expected to significantly lower the cost of Layer 2s. We also see that ETH BTC has seen another bounce, so it's probably worth keeping an eye on this chart. Outside Bitcoin and Ethereum, projects continue launching, a number of them coming with airdrops for their community. Among the popular projects which launched with airdrops include two modular blockchains, Dymension and AltLayer, both projects aiming to ease the deployment of app chains or roll apps. dApps also continue to take on the points playbook, with many launching campaigns for users to interact and earn points on their platform to be converted into an airdrop in the future. Drift Protocol on Solana is among the latest to implement this, and plans to launch its token shortly after its points campaign wraps up in March. You could say that the point system has evolved into a market of its own, with some projects like Kelp issuing tokens for EigenLayer points and protocols like Whales Market making points available for peer-to-peer trading. Meanwhile, users who have traded NFTs on Magic Eden in 2021 are eligible to claim diamonds, which will convert to rewards in the future. Saga, an upcoming gaming-focused L1, also announced recently that it would offer play-to-airdrop rewards to players of games on other chains like Solana, Avalanche, and Polygon in the lead-up to its Saga token launch, which is planned for Q2 this year. Many Web3 gaming projects have launched in the past couple of weeks. The most notable ones were Mavia, a mobile online multiplayer base builder strategy game, and Pixel, a farming game on Ronin. Both projects rewarded their players with airdrops in the form of Mavia and Pixel tokens. StarkNet has also finally airdropped its governance and gas token Stark to the community. However, many people were disgruntled about the eligibility criteria, which seemed to favor developers over regular users. Optimism also announced their fourth airdrop, worth about $41 million, to almost 23,000 addresses. Check to see if you're eligible via their official channels. In the last couple of weeks, AI-related project tokens such as WorldCoin, Render, Fetch.ai, and more have also seen a run-up following OpenAI's announcement of Sora, its latest text-to-video model. This was probably further bolstered by NVIDIA's latest earnings report, which beat expectations. Well, that's all for this update. Check out our other videos for more, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel.